Hello friends, welcome to online learning session. I am Miss S.D. Kale, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Agricultural Economics, K.K. Wagh, College of Agriculture, Nasik. In our today's session, we are going to see role and functions of management. So let's start with what is management. It is a technique of utilizing scarce resources economically and effectively to achieve the objectives. Activities which are concerned with the management are formulation of objectives, plans and policies of enterprise, assembling men, money, material, machines and methods of their accomplishments, coordinating the physical and human resources. Fifth one, supervising and controlling the performance. Sixth one, securing maximum satisfaction for both employer and employee and providing the public with the best possible services. Role of management. Management is basically concerned with the efficient use of organizational resources to accomplish the stated goals on the basis of authority and responsibility. There are three types of management: top, middle and supervisory management, and the role played these three levels of management is different. Let's start with the role of top management. First one is setting general objectives and policies of business. You have to set the objectives and policies of the business. Next one, development of long range plans. You have to prepare the long term planning. Third one, evaluation of overall performance. You have to evaluate the overall performance of the employee. Fourth one, evaluation of a leading management personnel. Fifth one, interaction with subordinate management on the problems or subject of a general nature. You have to interact with your colleagues or subordinate management as you are concerned with their problems of general nature. Next one, role of middle management. First one, development of intermediate plans based on the top management. You have to develop some intermediate plans or the plans which having less range than the long term plans, and these plans you have to prepare according or with the help of top management plans. Establishment of departmental policy. You have to develop your departmental policies as a role of middle management. Third one, review of productions and sales performance. You have to take a review of production and sale performance of your agro-based industry. Fourth one, analysis of managerial performance for promotion. If you want to promote your employee on the next level, you have to analyze their performance. Next one, interaction with subordinate management on the production, sales and personal problems. You have to interact with your staff or employee or the subordinate for production, sales and their personal problems. Role of supervisory management. Planning day-to-day work. You have to plan your day-to-day work. Second, assignments of job. You have to assign the job to the staff or employees of your organization. Third one, keeping a watch on workers' performance. Once you assign the job, you have to watch or you have to supervise the workers' performance. Fourth one, sending reports and statements to the supervisors or superiors. You have to send the reports or statements of your work done to the superior or the seniors of your organizations. Fifth one, maintaining close and personal contact with the worker and evaluation of their work. You have to maintain the close contact with your workers or the employee of the organization. Functions of management. First one is planning. The process by which a manager anticipates the future and discovers alternative course of the action open to him is called as planning. Next one, organizing. The process by which the structure and allocation of jobs are determined is called as organizing. Directing. The process by which actual performances of the subordinates and it's guided towards the common goal is called as directing. Controlling. The process that measures the current performances and guides it towards some predetermined goal is called as controlling. Coordinating. That means you and your staff or employees of the organization must have coordination or work in the equal direction or the same direction to achieve your predetermined goal. And sixth one is a financing. That means you must have money with you for the development of your organization. Thank you for your peaceful listening.